Dun dun dun. 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 Danger Kitty, staring at the camera as his dangerous head looks left and right, trying to find the perfect meal as he walks toward its prey. It stalks among the grasses of the backyard. It's very, very dangerous as it looks at the neighbor's yard. It's wagging its tail as if it's ready to pounce on something. It sits down, waiting for the perfect opportunity as it looks left and right, again, searching for the perfect meal. His age is unknown. He is a very ancient cat. So now we call him Danger Kitty. This one is a wild one. He stares right at us with his laser-among eyes. He looks away, and he says bye. This cat species is the most dangerous known, as he stares at us and says bye, and thank you for watching.